Introduce highlight features or overview summary for LINXINO HTS705 dry ice blasting machine. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include: high efficiency cleaning and protection. LINXINO dry ice cleaners can be used to clean different equipment, which not only removes dirt quickly and effectively, but also protects the equipment well and reduces dismantling and damage to the equipment. HTS705 dry ice blasting machine can thoroughly remove the attached. Eco-friendly and safety. Dry ice is a non-toxic substance without any secondary waste residue, no reagents, no chemical components, and no secondary pollution concerns. Cleaning with dry ice to avoid long-term adhesion of undesirable substances to the equipment, affecting the overall operation and causing injury to personnel. Intelligent and adjustable. The dry ice cleaner is designed with an intelligent microcomputer. Intelligent microcomputer can precisely control the pressure, which can freely adjust the pressure and ice rate. You can adjust the pressure and speed of the dry ice blast to suit your needs. And the next outstanding feature that recommend new products releases update all day YouTube channel will introduce is widely application. Dry ice blasters are suitable for removing stuck and flaking formulations, silicone and rubber residues, oils, greases, turpentine, asphalt, dirt, inks, resins, adhesives, waxes and paints, chewing gum, and graffiti. It has been widely used in rubber, casting, automobile, marine, electric power, chemical, printing, plastic, food, pharmaceutical and aviation fields. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe. Press the bell and select all, to get instant notifications of all future uploads.